In this video, I'll show you hundreds of trending YouTube Shorts channels that can completely change your financial life. From channels you can start today, to ideas that could actually turn you into a millionaire. I've ranked them like a ladder of success. The higher we go, the bigger the income, but the harder the climb. Along the way, I'll share the exact tips and secrets you need to build a profitable channel. And at the very top, I'll reveal the best YouTube Shorts idea in the world. Something that could transform not just your life, but your entire future. You might think I'm exaggerating, but I'm completely serious. I know some of you will say, that idea is too common, or everyone's doing it. But before you skip it, hear me out. This niche is the foundation of all viral YouTube Shorts. And to get started, you only need two things: the right idea and a smart topic. Now here's the exciting part. I'll show you a website powered by AI that finds the best low-competition niches and the fastest-growing faceless channels for you. It's basically a treasure map for YouTubers. Just explore, pick your favorite topic, and start creating. But before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Alright, ready? Let's begin with the first idea. Now go to the Vidix AI website. I've placed the link in the video description. Vidix AI is an incredibly smart and advanced tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you find the best path for creating faceless YouTube channels and producing viral videos with greater accuracy and speed. With this platform, you can analyze and review growing channels and trending videos, identify new trends and low-competition niches, measure the performance of any video or channel using metrics like views, engagement, and subscriber growth rate, and even get accurate income estimates and insights into monetization opportunities. Simply put, Vidix AI works like an intelligent roadmap for YouTube success. Instead of spending hours guessing which topics might work, this tool analyzes real data and shows you exactly where the highest potential for growth and income lies. The result: you save time, eliminate trial and error, and reach your goals much faster. If you truly want to build and grow your channel like a professional, Vidix AI is exactly the tool you should try right now. Now that you've signed up, you'll enter a professional and powerful dashboard. Here, click on the growth section. In this part, you can see trending videos and channels that have gained millions of views in a very short time. Some of these channels have gained over 100,000 subscribers in just 5 days. Truly amazing. For example, let's take a look at a channel called Ani Mahal. This channel has already gained about 2.5 million subscribers, published more than 81 videos, and so far accumulated over 1.1 billion views. But that's only part of the story. In total, the channel has received over 20 million likes and 84,000 comments. Even more impressive, it was created on October 24, 2025, and in just the past 7 days, it has gained 123 million views. In the last 28 days, it's had 290 million views, with an estimated income of $198,000 just during that time. Incredible, right? And here's the best part. With Vidix AI, you can view all these details in the channel analytics section or dive into video analytics to study the performance of each video in detail. As you can see in the video, there are plenty of tools for analysis, comparison, and learning. That's how easily you can discover what makes these channels successful, and use the same strategies to build and grow your own channel. In the outlier monitoring section, you can see the videos whose performance is remarkably different from your channel's average. This feature helps you identify which videos are growing rapidly, and even predict which ones are likely to go viral. In other words, it works like a smart radar. You'll know about a trending video before it becomes a global sensation. By using this feature, you can stay ahead of the competition and create exactly the kind of videos that are exploding in YouTube's algorithm. In the report export section, you can easily download all your reports, data, and analytics collected from across the platform, all in one place. This feature is especially helpful for creators and analysts who want to perform deeper research or share insights with their team. With just a few clicks, you can access detailed reports on channel growth, video performance, engagement rates, and estimated revenue. This ensures that every decision you make is backed by accurate, data-driven insights, not guesswork. Additionally, Vidix AI supports report export and bulk data queries, allowing for advanced analysis and comprehensive market research. In the channel growth monitoring section, you can track the growth trends of any channel over different time periods, from the past 24 hours, 7 days, 28 days, 3 months, and even up to 1 year. This tool helps you understand which channels are growing the fastest, when they received the most engagement, and what type of content or topics triggered sudden spikes in views or subscribers. By analyzing this data, you can identify successful growth patterns and apply the same strategies to your own channel. Simply put, this section acts like a live progress map that makes your YouTube growth path clearer, smarter, and more focused. Now let's move on to the search channel section. In this part you can professionally and precisely search for any type of channel. For example, in the channel field, enter the name of the channel you're looking for, and all its information will appear. In the description field, you can search through video descriptions to quickly find related content. In the video keywords section, simply enter your desired keyword, and all videos related to that word will show up. In addition, there are more advanced sections such as creation date, to search for channels based on their creation date, AI videos, to find videos created using artificial intelligence AI rate, which shows you how much AI was used in each video or channel. Simply put, this section acts like a super intelligent search center that helps you find everything you need about channels, videos and growing trends. Now, go to the trending section. Here, you can intelligently and precisely analyze trending videos. To start, simply enter the video title, channel description, or any other detail in the fields above. In the All section, you can choose to display only shorts or long videos. You also have access to advanced filters, such as video language, publication date, video duration, and several other options for more precise results. Here, you can see videos that were published just a few minutes or hours ago, and have already gained thousands or even millions of views. At a glance, you can check all the stats for any video, from views and likes, to growth rate and audience engagement. Most importantly, you can see exactly what made that video successful. With Vidix AI, you can not only analyze viral videos, but also discover their success patterns, and use the same ideas to build your own channel. In fact, this tool helps you find the right idea, winning topic, and real growth path for your channel, without guessing. With Vidix AI, you can find the best ideas, create your channel, and grow in the shortest possible time. This tool helps you stay on the right path, gain millions of views, and even earn hundreds of thousands of dollars. The link to the website is in the video description. Visit it now, find your channel idea, and get started. If you want to access more professional features, you can activate one of the plans, basic for $19 per month, or VIP for $59 per month. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. Until the next one, wish you success.